Hello everyone. Surely you all know about strawberries, a type of fruit grown in temperate and subtropical climates. So, how are they cultivated and processed? Let's go to the United States to see how farmers there grow strawberries and make strawberry syrup and ice cream. California and Florida are the two main centers for strawberry cultivation. California accounts for over 90% of the country's strawberry production thanks to its temperate climate and highly developed irrigation systems. In recent years, global strawberry production has averaged around 9 million tons per year, with the United States producing approximately 1.48 million tons annually. Of this, California alone contributes about 1.2 million tons. Let's visit a few farms in California to see how the people there grow and harvest strawberries. Here, the fields can span thousands of hectares. To achieve high productivity, the farmers use this machine to loosen the soil and create strawberry beds. The strawberry planting season in California primarily occurs during spring and summer. Planting usually begins in March or April, when the weather warms up and the soil is sufficiently warm for seeding or transplanting seedlings. They will lay a layer of plastic mulch over the surface of the strawberry beds. Once they've completed the bed preparation phase, the next step is to bring strawberry plants from the nursery to the farm and plant them into the soil. These machines will punch and create holes in the surface of the beds. The rest of the task falls to these farmers. They'll place the young strawberry plants into the holes and then cover them with soil. These strawberry plants are typically spaced about 10 centimeters apart. To plant an entire large field, it would take approximately 1 week. During the early stages, strawberry plants will require watering every 2 days to ensure adequate moisture. As the plants grow, especially during dry seasons, they will need watering once daily. Strawberry plants typically require about 3-4 months to develop and flower before harvesting. When the strawberries have ripened to a bright red color, it's time for harvesting. Typically, the harvesting season here starts in May or June and extends until September or even October. Every year in California, up to 10,000 people participate in the strawberry harvest. They come from various countries, primarily immigrants and migrant workers from all over the country. To ensure high-quality strawberry harvest, most strawberries are harvested manually to select the biggest and most beautiful ones. After harvesting, the strawberries are transported onto trucks. Each year, this farm alone yields more than 500 kilograms of strawberries. After harvesting, the strawberries are transported to processing plants to be turned into strawberry syrup and ice cream. Let's visit one of the largest strawberry processing plants here to see the processing steps. Here, after being transported, the strawberries are taken to the production line, where they are poured into a rotating machine that sorts and transports them upwards on a conveyor belt. Then, other workers place each strawberry into molds. As the strawberries move along the line, machines separate the stems from the strawberries. After the strawberries have their stems removed, workers at the line inspect and remove any remaining stem parts. Then, they proceed along the conveyor belt for a thorough cleaning. After being thoroughly cleaned, the strawberries are divided into 2 branches on the conveyor belt. One branch is taken to be packed into boxes and moved to the next stage, while the other branch is processed into strawberry syrup. To make strawberry syrup, workers here pour these strawberries into a grinder and mix them with sugar to enhance sweetness. After the strawberries are crushed, they are filtered to remove impurities such as seeds and remaining fruit skins. Next, they are placed into a pot and cooked until the mixture becomes thick and syrupy. Once the mixture has thickened, it is taken to another conveyor belt to be poured into glass jars that have been prepared beforehand. To enhance its appeal further, the next step involves using this machine to affix labels around the jars. Depending on the variety, different labels will be applied to facilitate easy differentiation. Next, at another production line, let's explore how to make delicious and enticing strawberry ice cream. Here, after the strawberries are finely crushed, they are mixed with fresh milk before being added to the ice cream maker. After the mixture is thoroughly mixed, it's put into the ice cream maker. This machine freezes the mixture at just the right temperature to create ice cream. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to receive the latest videos.